Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Taylor Digital Thermometer is probably one of the most important kitchen gadgets for achieving perfectly cooked meats every time, ensuring both food safety and maximizing flavor. This in-depth review will explore its features, accuracy, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right thermometer for your cooking needs and elevate your grilling and cooking game to a whole new level. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Digital Thermometer. It boasts advanced technology for precise temperature readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. This ensures perfectly cooked food every time. From grilling and baking to deep frying and candy making, it's the ultimate tool for all your cooking needs. Use it anywhere, anytime. The large digital display with backlight makes it simple to check the temperature, even in low-light conditions. No more squinting. Its water-resistant design allows for easy cleaning under running water. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Packaged in an elegant box, it makes a thoughtful and practical gift for any occasion. It's a gift they'll actually use. What we like. This thermometer gives you readings in seconds, can be used for all kinds of cooking, and is easy to clean. If you need a versatile and hygienic option for all your cooking adventures, from grilling to baking, this is the one for you. What people say. Accuracy is amazing. Great quality, nice and robust. Does everything perfectly. Fast reading. Excellent display with backlight button. Useful hold button and so you can read it conveniently without rushing. Even came with a spare battery. Very durable and accurate. It turns off when you put the metal stick back down and just all around easy to use. Number 4. Taylor Digital Cooking Thermometer. This thermometer's long probe lets you check your food's temperature without letting heat escape from the oven. It's perfect for ensuring your dishes are cooked just right. Set your desired temperature and cooking time, and it will alert you when it's reached. You can even set a timer for up to 24 hours. It can stand upright or lie flat, making it easy to see in any cooking situation. It's adaptable to your needs. Get precise temperature readings from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. It ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. 2 AAA batteries are included, so you can start using it right away. For best results, simply hand wash it, do not put it in the dishwasher. Remember, the probe gets hot after use. Always use oven mitts or pot holders when handling it to avoid burns. What we like. It has a long probe to monitor food without opening the oven, and you can set your target temperature and a timer. If you're looking for precise temperature control and convenience while cooking, this thermometer is perfect for you. What people say. The unit has consistently provided reliable temperature readings and has a convenient beeper when a preset temperature is reached. It takes the worry and guesswork out of roasting. No more underdone or overdone roasted meat. The temperature readings have been very accurate. Boiling water reads 212 F, ice water near 32 F, readings for cooked food seem accurate, too. It can read up to about 400 F, so it works great for checking the oil temperature when deep frying. Number 3. Taylor Programmable Thermometer. It features a durable stainless steel probe with a long silicone cord, allowing you to monitor your food's temperature without ever opening the oven door. This helps maintain consistent heat and prevents heat loss. Set your desired temperature and let it do the work. It will alert you when your food reaches the perfect temperature, and it even has a timer for up to 24 hours. Its display stands upright for easy viewing, and the magnetized back conveniently attaches to your oven door. It's designed for ease of use and convenience. This digital thermometer provides highly accurate temperature readings from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your food is cooked perfectly every time. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals. Purchase with confidence. It's backed by a 1-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. From grilling and barbecuing to baking and roasting, this thermometer is a versatile tool for all your cooking adventures. Get yours today. What we like. This thermometer features a long probe for oven monitoring, programmable settings, and a magnetic back for easy placement. If you value precise temperature control and hands-free monitoring, this is the ideal choice. Number 2. Searon Digital Meat Thermometer. It provides a temperature reading within seconds. Its wide range and accuracy ensure perfectly cooked food every time. It's incredibly easy to use, simply unfold the probe to turn it on and fold it to turn it off. The auto-off feature saves battery life. Lock the temperature reading for safety and use the calibration function to maintain accuracy over time. It's built to last. The large, backlit LCD screen makes it easy to read the temperature, even in low-light conditions. We stand behind it with a 2-year warranty. Plus, it's made with sustainability in mind, reducing its environmental impact. What we like. It provides precise readings, is super easy to operate, and even has a calibration feature. If accuracy and ease of use are your priorities, this thermometer is a great option. What people say. It is built with good quality materials, good weight, ease of use and self-calibration. It does not look fragile. So far when using this, the temperature is accurate and the reading comes up extremely fast, easy to use and a lifesaver when baking or cooking things on a grill. Quick read. I use it for my bread a lot. Number 1. Taylor Instant Read Thermometer. This thermometer's long cord lets you check your food's temperature without letting heat escape from the oven. It's perfect for precise cooking. Set your desired temperature and cooking time, it will alert you when it's ready. You can even use it as a timer for other tasks. It can stand upright, lay flat, or even stick to your fridge. It's adaptable to any kitchen setup. Get precise temperature readings from -32 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, -0 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. It ensures your food is cooked perfectly every time. No need to buy batteries separately, they're included and already installed. Start cooking right away. Remember to remove it from the food before leaving it in the oven for extended periods. Always use oven mitts when handling it after use. Gently pull the probe out of the food, not the cord, to prevent damage and ensure it lasts longer. What we like. This thermometer allows you to monitor food without opening the oven, has programmable settings, and a versatile design. If you need a reliable and adaptable tool for various cooking situations, this is the one for you. What people say. The new one has easier to read buttons, which is good as I am getting older. I could hear the loud alarm when I was using my outdoor barbecue from the kitchen. They work great and are simple to use. It is extremely accurate, and I won't cook meat without it. I also use it for other stuff besides meat too. I use it in my conventional oven, in my air fryer, and on the barbecue. I can get meat cooked to perfection every time. I can be sure it is fully done, while not drying it out and having to chew burnt leather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.